Alright, assignment 2A. We have two parts for this assignment. In part 1, we have to design a delay subroutine to generate a waveform on port B, pin number 2 with 60% DC and 725 millisecond period. Okay, first up, I'm gonna open the assembly code. So this is my assembly code for this task. I have four functions that two of them are for part 1 and two of them are for part 2. So first I'm gonna execute part 1. So this is also same. Okay, and here for pulse I'm trying to show this delay that should be 60% of our period. Okay, let's start the button. Okay, now I am resetting the stopwatch to see exactly the expected time. That should be 435 milliseconds, which is 60% of our period, according to the assignment. In simulation mode, it takes a while to be executed. Okay, here we go. It's 435 milliseconds. That is 60% of our period. And if I continue execution, it's gonna be the whole period. That is 725 milliseconds. Because we are adding 40% of that, 290 milliseconds. Cursor. Okay, it's running. Here we go. It's 725 milliseconds. That is our period. Now I'm changing to the second part of the assignment. That is switch function. Should be in my main loop. And here LED function. Okay. Let's start debugging. Now, since I'm executing the LED function, so my goal is to show this delay that is 400. It should be 1.25 milliseconds. Okay. I'm sorry, 1.25 seconds. So Actually, I need to press the button. Okay, now I'm gonna preset the stopwatch to see the delay time. That our expectation is 1.25 seconds. Now I'm running the cursor to execute this delay function. Again, it's gonna take like at least 1 minute to be executed. It's 162. Still we have 1 second almost. Okay, let me double check. Almost halfway. It should be stopped at 1.25 milliseconds. At 1.25 seconds. See, we are 141. I think it's gonna be done in like 10 seconds. Alright, here we go. It's 1.25 seconds. That is our expectation. So I'm closing this solution, and now I'm gonna show the C programming for this assignment. Okay, here's my code. Again, I have 4 functions. For first part, I'm gonna change this function with my pin initial function. And this one should be changed with pulse function. Okay, here we go. Now let's start debugging. Okay, my goal is to show the 60% of our period. That is right here. So okay, I'm resetting stopwatch, running the course. So we're gonna see again 435 milliseconds. That is 60% of our period. So still running. Here it is, 435 milliseconds, And if I continue running the cursor, I'm gonna execute this 290 milliseconds. That is 40% of our period, and we're gonna see the whole period, that is 725 milliseconds on our stopwatch. Okay, here we go. 725 milliseconds. This was part 1 of the task, and for second part I need to change this function to a switch function, and here to my LED function. Now I'm gonna execute the LED delay right here. So recompile, because we changed functions. Actually, in this part we need to press the button again, then execute around the cursor. Okay, now let's reset the stopwatch to see this exact delay function. Again, like assembly code, it's gonna take a while to the execution be completed. Right. It's running. 278. Again, it's gonna be stopped at 1.25 seconds. (628 milliseconds), almost half the way. Still running. Double check. Okay, almost there. 10-15 more seconds. Here we go. It's 1.25 seconds. That is our expected time. So this task simulation is completed. I'm gonna go to emulation in another video. Thanks.